Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be sharing with you how to create product labels in Canva. I created a video where I showed you how to create waterproof labels, and I received a lot of questions on how to design the products label in Canva. So I decided to go ahead and record this because I am launching a new product for my salon. Blue Haven Salon is a all-natural whipped hair moisturizing cream. So as you guys will see, I'm going to take you through the process of creating this label. So I'm browsing through the different types of templates and I'm trying to find the one that I like. I see one that I like, I'm going to go ahead and click on it. One of the main important things to do once you find the template that you want to work with, you need to resize the template. In the previous clip, you saw how I was able to take the measurements of the container. Once you take the accurate measurements, go ahead in this area in Canva, enter in the correct measurements and make sure you put in the correct measurement type. So it was in inches, I made sure I put inches in there. All right, so now that the file updated, now it's time for the fun part. It's time to play and design this product label. to stop with the design process right now. I just want to show you that when you go to download this, download it as a PDF print. You get the best quality. Be sure to stick around for the next part of this video. It'll be linked in the description box below.